In this video, I'm going to be answering your question on, is it safe to put my BVN on Fairmoney app? In my own case, I think it's actually safe, because before I can start making this video tutorial on Fairmoney, I already connected my BVN to it, and so far so good. No issue at all. Everything worked perfectly. I didn't receive any bad news about my account, or maybe something is actually going on my BVN. So Fairmoney is a licensed loan app and also verified by CBN, as it was stated, and I haven't seen anyone complaining outside their agreement on Fairmoney. So, to my own understanding, it's actually safe to input your BVN. I even do Face ID and also submit my ID card on their platform before I can start seeing all these features on Fairmoney. So it's safe in my own case, no issue. Or else maybe you do one or two fishy something that you might be worried about all these loan apps. To me, it's actually okay. The app is working fine, and I don't have any issue on it so far. But then when I first deposit money inside the app, it actually take like 12 hours before this 1,000 naira shows in my balance. But then after that, I think everything is working perfectly. So you can also be like me, put in your BVN and no issue at all. So yeah.